Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
Welcome, we are the Talkaholics, the podcast channel of Avian Vida International School, Hyderabad. In today's episode, we'll be talking about the beauty of Shimla and the famous attractions.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
Without further ado, let's begin. First up, we have Manvika with our first day in Shimla, starting off with the Jaku Hanuman Temple.
Hey everyone, my name is Manvika and today I will be talking about Jaku Temple. One of the famous temple in Shimla is Jaku Temple. It is dedicated to Lord Hanuman. The temple is on the highest hill of Shimla. There is a greatest Hanuman statue here which can be seen from far away. The place is very peaceful.
Hello everyone, I'm Aradhana. Today, I will be sharing my experience of the visit to the Christ Church. Christ Church in Shimla is very old, built by the British in the mid-1800s. So it is more than 150 years old. It is one of the major tourist spots in Shimla's Mall Road. It is famous for its big clock and stained glass window. This church is also seen in the Bollywood movie 3 Idiots. The church looks beautiful in the day and even more pretty in the evening when lights are on. It is not only a place of prayer but a big attraction for visitors. That is why this church is a very special and is one of the main spots in Shimla.
Hi all, this is Deeksha. This is my experience of Mall and Ridge Road. Mall Road in Shimla is like the superstar of the city, always crowded and full of energy. It has endless shops, cafes, ice cream, stalls and of course, momo corners. No cars allowed, so it feels like a huge walking party where people click selfies, shop random stuff and just chill. Above it is Ridge Road, which is a big open place for fairs, festivals and events. Ridge Road gives stunning views of mountains and has the famous Christ Church which looks like it came straight out of a movie. Together, Mall Road and Ridge Road are like the heartbeat of Shimla, busy, dramatic and never boring.
Hey guys, Ritu here, and today I'll be talking about Kufri Zoo in Shimla. It's a small but a very famous zoo. The zoo is on a hill and the view is really beautiful. You can see animals like the brown bears and the black bears and the common leopards and many such animals. It's also called Himalayan Nature Park. Tourists love visiting this place when they come to Shimla. It's very peaceful, green and full of fresh mountain air. If you love nature and animals, Kufri Zoo is a must visit.
Hi everyone, my name is Punita and today I will be briefing you guys on Kufri Amusement Park, the highest amusement park in Himachal Pradesh and a beautiful hill station. Known for its scenic snow-covered peaks in winter and adventurous sprite, Kufri attracts tourists from all over the world. The amusement park here is especially popular because it offers a unique mix of fun rides, adventure activities and breathtaking views of the Himalayas. From thrilling rides to go-karting and even snow sports during winter. This park is an ideal place for families and friends to enjoy together. What makes it more special is that it combines entertainment with nature's beauty, giving visitors both excitement and peace.
Hey guys, this is Saurashmi and today I'll be doing the summary of Shimla and Kufri. To start it off, Shimla, the beautiful capital of Himachal Pradesh, is a popular hill station known for its scenic beauty. Now, the fun. The Kufri Amusement Park, one of the highest in Himachal Pradesh. It has many fun rides which you all can try. That's from the Talkaholics. This is Saurashmi,
Manvika
Aradhana, Deeksha,
and Ritu.
Punita.
signing off.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.